Once you've signed up and verified your email, you'll land in the group creation wizard. Give your group a name and click Continue. Next, fill in your sender details, company name, reply to email, and a physical mailing address. This appears in your email footer and is required for compliance. Click Continue. Skip the sign-up form for now. We cover that in a separate tutorial. On the final step, you can import contacts or add them manually. Click Finish to complete the wizard. Your group is created. Let's add your first contact. Click Add Contact and fill in a name and email address. You'll notice Groupmail offers auto-complete suggestions as you type. When you save, Groupmail verifies the email automatically. It checks the format, domain, spam databases, and MX records, all in real time. Your list starts clean from day one. Now let's send a newsletter. Click Messages in the sidebar, then New Message. This is the newsletter editor. Write in Markdown on the left, and a live preview on the right updates as you type. Enter a subject line, then write your content. Even a single line is enough. You can see it rendered in a professional template with your footer details and an unsubscribe link. When you're happy, click Save, then Send. The wizard walks you through a few quick steps: campaign name, audience, and delivery settings. Click Continue and your campaign is on its way. You'll land on the Email Campaigns page. The status moves from sending to sent within seconds. Click the campaign to see your stats: deliveries, opens, clicks, and bounces, all tracked automatically. From sign up to sent newsletter in under 3 minutes. That's Groupmail.